Hey folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is give the old John Deere 870 a little wash. We're going to get rid of all the old grease and whatnot all up in the crevices. We're going to be using the Husqvarna PW3200, the Matcc snow foam cannon. We're going to be using the Chemical Guys snow foam. It's the Honeydew, and we're also going to be filming this using the DJI Mavic Mini 2. And as you can see, we got a new addition to the back. We'll get into that later. There we go, we got her all cleaned up. The biggest thing I wanted to do is get all the grease and whatnot out of the little nook and crannies that you don't get to. So we're gonna chamois it off. So as you've seen, I had covered the seat to keep the water off of it. And with this type of exhaust, you want to make sure you cover it too. That way you're not getting water going down the pipe. So I just used a little bit of tin foil. And like everything, when you're pressure washing something, you want to make sure and go and re-grease everything, because I blew a lot of the grease off or out. So make sure you re-grease all your grease fittings after. And also when you're pressure washing, make sure all your caps and covers are on nice and tight. You don't want water in all those, your hydraulics. And as you've seen, this is my new Welco model W599. It's just a 60-inch little rear blade for the tractor. Can push some gravel or push some snow in the wintertime. So we're going to pop the hood and let everything dry off underneath. The next video in this series, we're going to go through and check all the filters and fluids and whatnot, and make sure everything's nice and clean or topped off where it should be. Like always, if you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching. Also, don't forget to throw any tips there that may help me out with this tractor. Thanks for watching. Take care.